In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent header in Shopify. Whether you're looking to add a sleek, modern touch to your online store or want to highlight the images behind your header, a transparent header can elevate the overall design of your Shopify site. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but with just a few simple steps, you'll have a transparent header up and running in no time. Let's get started by heading over to your Shopify site editor. Once you're there, you'll notice a gear icon positioned on the left panel. This is your gateway to the theme settings, so go ahead and click on that gear icon to open it up. Now, within the theme settings, you'll find an option labeled Colors. It's time to dive into that. As you navigate into the Colors section, you'll want to select Add Scheme. This will allow you to establish a new set of color properties specifically tailored to your header. When you're setting the colors like the background, text, headings, and links, it's your chance to get creative and align them with your brand's palette. But here's the critical part. Ensure the opacity of your background color is set to transparent. This step is crucial as it dictates the transparency effect on your header, allowing the content behind it to be visible. With your new color scheme all set up, it's time to apply it to your header. Head back and click on the header to access its properties. It's in this area that you can make specific tweaks to how your header appears. When you reach the color settings within the header properties, choose the color scheme you just created. The selection causes your header to adopt the transparent background, along with any other color choices you decided upon. And there you have it. That's all it takes to create a transparent header on your Shopify store. With these simple adjustments, your site can achieve a clean and sophisticated look that enhances visual appeal and user engagement. Remember, the key lies in the choice of colors and ensuring the background's opacity is fully transparent. This not only makes your header blend seamlessly with your site, but also sets your Shopify store apart with a distinct modern look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to test the transparency across different devices to ensure it remains just as stunning wherever your customers visit. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy designing!